In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit your signature in Docusign. Whether your signature has changed, you want it to look more professional, or you simply don't like the style you picked the first time, updating it is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to expect on your screen. First, you'll want to open your Docusign account and head to your profile area. After signing in, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon or your name, usually in the upper right corner. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose the option labeled Profile. This is the main hub where Docusign keeps your personal settings and preferences. Once you're on the profile page, look for the section that manages your signatures. There should be a tab or menu item called Signatures. Go ahead and click on Signatures to open the list of any signatures you've already created. If you've used Docusign before, you'll typically see at least one signature saved here, possibly along with any associated initials. Next, you need to select the specific signature you want to change. If you have multiple signatures, take a moment to click on the one that you actually use for most of your documents or the one you know needs updating. Selecting it will usually highlight it or open a small preview so you can confirm you've picked the right one before making changes. After you've selected your signature, look for an edit option. This may appear as a button labeled edit or as a small link near the signature preview. Click edit to open the signature editor. This is where Docusign lets you adjust how your signature looks without having to create a brand new one from scratch. Inside the editor, you can now modify your signature style. Depending on your setup, you might be able to choose from several predefined fonts that imitate handwriting, draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your actual handwritten signature. Take a moment to try different styles and see what looks most like your real signature or matches the tone you want for your documents. For business or legal documents, it's usually best to choose something clean and easy to read, rather than a style that's overly decorative. As you adjust the style, check the preview carefully, make sure your name is spelled correctly, and that it looks the way you want it to appear on your documents. If the editor allows you to adjust initials as well, this is a good time to make sure they match your updated signature style so everything looks consistent. When you're happy with the changes, the final step is to save them. Look for a button such as Save or Save Changes and click it. Docusign will update your account with the new signature style, and from now on, whenever you sign a document, the updated signature will be used automatically. That's all there is to it. You've opened your profile, gone to the Signatures section, selected your existing signature, edited the style, and saved your changes. The next time you're asked to sign in Docusign, you'll see your new, updated signature in action.